Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this exponential equation. We are asked to solve the equation x raised to the power of 4 divided by 3 minus 6x to the power of 1 divided by 3 plus 9x to the power of negative 2 divided by 3, the whole of this equal to 0. And we are only looking for the real value or values of x that can satisfy this equation. Alright, let's get started. If you observe, all of these three terms contain x to a certain power, therefore we can factorize it. And it is always recommended to factor out that term with the least exponent. So negative 2 divided by 3 is the least exponent among these three exponents. So we can factor out x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3 outside. So we have x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3 outside. Inside, you begin with the first term here. Since we are dividing, right, we are going to divide all of these three terms by what we have factored out. And applying one of the laws of indices is the same thing as taking one base and you subtract the exponents. So we have x raised to the power of this minus this, right? And since the exponent outside has a negative sign, minus will turn it to positive. So it is the same thing as saying 4 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which is 6 divided by 3, and 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So we have 2 here, minus 6x raised to the power of 1 divided by 3 minus this, which is the same thing as 1 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. And 1 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 is 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. So we don't have to raise it to any power. Then moving to the last term here, we have 9. The whole of this is already out, so we don't have to do anything. And this is equal to 0. This is another quadratic expression that can be factorized, because you can think of two numbers that you can multiply together to get 9. But when you add them, you get negative 6, and the numbers are negative 3 and negative 3, right? So we have x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3 outside. Inside we have x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 3, though I know it is the same thing as x minus 3 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0, right? Now we are going to set these factors to be equal to 0. Either x raised to the power of negative 2 divided by 3 equal to 0, or the other one, x minus 3 all squared, because we have two equal factors equal to 0. From the left hand side, it implies that x must be equal to 0. So this is one of the solutions. Or from here, you can take square root of both sides. Square root of 0 is still 0, which implies that x minus 3 equal to 0, which turns out to be x equal to 3. So these are the two solutions we have while solving this exponential equation, but you can test them in the main equation to see whether this is true or not. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.